So it is day 1 of my chess journey from 400 elo to 1500 elo. To begin with, this is my game from yesterday and I will analyze it in today's video. So without further ado, let's start the video. Here I am playing with the white pieces and I started it off with the English opening c4. Okay, my opponent replied d6 and I want to play knight c3 here to develop my knight and control the center. So after knight c3 has been played, my opponent replied with e5 to control the center and to open up his white squared bishop. After e5, here I played g3. My plan here is to fianchetto my bishop on f1 to g2. After playing g3, my opponent replied with c6, controlling the center on d5. After c6 has been played, I replied with bishop g2, fianchettoing my bishop and controlling the center on d5 and e4. And here, my opponent replied with knight f6, developing his knight. Here, my plan is to push my pawn on e3 and develop my knight on e2. And after playing e3, my opponent replied bishop e7, planning to castle kingside. After bishop e7, I played knight e2, preparing my king to castle kingside. And here, my opponent replied with knight a6. I think he's trying to maneuver his knight on b4. And here, I replied with a3 to avoid his plan. After a3 has been played, my opponent replied with knight g4. I don't really know what he's trying to do. But here I just push my pawn to h3, attacking his knight. After playing h3, attacking his knight, my opponent replied with knight f6, getting his knight to safety. So here my plan is to push my pawn on d4, attacking the center, trading off pieces. After pushing d4, pawn takes pawn, and e takes pawn on d4. After taking his pawn, he pushes pawn on d5, challenging my pawn on c4. And here, my plan is to push my pawn on c4 to c5 to block his bishop. And yeah, that's my plan. After playing c5, my opponent replied knight e4, putting his knight to the center. After knight e4, I just takes it with my knight, trading it off. Because if he takes with the pawn, I can just take it with the bishop, gaining me one pawn up. Alright, bishop takes, and then here my opponent played bishop f6. I don't know, maybe it's attacking my pawn on d4, putting pressure on it. Here I put my bishop back on g2, and I don't really know why I did that. Then he played bishop e6, developing his bishop, and here I castled, putting my king to safety. And my next plan here is to develop my bishop too. And then here my opponent played g5, stopping me from playing bishop f4. So I just played bishop e3 here, developing my bishop. And after bishop e3, my opponent replied h6, trying to break my pawn chain. And here I replied with b4, defending my pawn on c5. And after a few seconds passed by, my opponent replied with h6. I don't know what is the reason, but here I played knight c3. Here I just realized that I missed an opportunity to fork his king and his rook. Now he just castles. What an opportunity has been lost. Anyway, I just take his pawn on c6, and after that my opponent played rook c8, and here there's a tactics and I saw it. It is bishop b7 fork. I played it here in the game, forking his rook and his knight. So here my opponent played rook b8, but I can just take his knight on e6, gaining me a material. So I takes with the bishop, and here he plays, after taking his knight, he played bishop takes h3, attacking my rook. But here I just sacrifice my rook, playing queen h5. Actually, I think that's not a good sacrifice, because you can just take it with the rook back, and then what now? So he takes my rook. You can just take his pawn on h6, now threatening his king. The mate is coming if I played bishop b3. Here he takes my pawn on c5. Now I can take his bishop to play bishop b3, threatening his king to checkmate. After taking with the rook, he just takes with the pawn. He takes my pawn on b3, I mean b4. After taking, I played bishop d3, threatening his king. Now how can he avoid that checkmate? There's no possible move to avoid that, I think. Here he takes his pawn, my pawn I mean. Then there it is, checkmate. And yeah, that is the game yesterday. I hope you guys like